It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight.
Here are the top stories of the day. The newly renovated MOLO Plaza in Iloilo City is now open to the public. The National Historic Commission of the Philippines, which funded the 20 million peso restoration project, officially turned over the MOLO Plaza to the local government unit of Iloilo City. Senator Franklin Drilon and Mayor Jerry Pitreñas led the turnover ceremony on Saturday. NHCP Chairman Rene Escalante said MOLO Plaza is the first among a series of turnovers to be undertaken in Iloilo City within this year. Escalante added that Iloilo City is one of the places in the country that has the most number of restored projects. Other NHCP restoration projects soon to be finished include the Haro Belfry, the bandstand and Lopez Haina Monument in Haro Plaza, and the Customs House that will serve as a National Maritime Museum. The drive to combat the dengue hemorrhagic fever has gripped the province of Iloilo and the city of Bacolod. With more barangays in Western Visayas registering a clustering of dengue cases, Iloilo Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. led the launching of the Limpyo sa Hunyo, Panglimpyo para sa Dengue Kagbaha cleanup drive on Saturday. Defensor said the provincial government plans to institutionalize dengue cleanup and make it a daily habit in the province. From January 1 to June 11 this year, the Provincial Health Office reported 460 cases, including 6 deaths. 167% higher compared to the 172 cases with 0 deaths recorded in the same period last year. Meanwhile, Bacolod City Mayor Evelio Nardia has ordered the City Health Office to intensify its barangay anti-dengue campaign. Nardia urged barangay leaders and health workers to coordinate with the CHO in conducting their anti-dengue programs. Bacolod City logged 207 dengue cases with 4 deaths as of June 11, 137% higher compared to the 87 cases with 2 deaths reported last year. The Department of Health in Region 6 has also recorded an additional 3 deaths in the span of 1 week. From May 8 to June 4, 136 barangays registered a clustering of dengue cases. Iloilo City's implementation of the local public transport route plan has caught the interest of 7 other highly urbanized cities outside the region. According to Public Safety and Transportation Management Office Head Jack Conlu, representatives and point persons from these local government units have contacted him asking for guidance on the implementation of their own LPTRPs. Conlu said these LGUs either have not yet completed their own LPTRP or are yet to implement it. Conlu has declined to name these LGUs but noted that they signified to visit the city soon. Iloilo City is one of the LGUs in the country that has had its local route plan approved and implemented. The city's LPTRP had been 3 years in the making before it was finally approved in November last year. And those are tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Rosario Pumida. Good evening.
For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.